Best Garmin watches. Are you looking for the best Garmin watches? In this video we will look at some of the best Garmin watches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garmin Fēnix 8 AMOLED. The Garmin Fēnix 8 is built for athletes who demand peak performance, precision, and durability. Designed for marathoners, ultrarunners, and multi-sport competitors, this flagship watch goes far beyond basic tracking. It provides deep performance analysis with tools like training readiness, recovery time, and PacePro. Garmin's intelligent GPS-based pacing guidance that helps you map out a winning race strategy in real time. Every run, ride, or swim becomes more purposeful thanks to data-driven insights that help you optimize training and reach your goals. Battery life is exceptional, even during GPS-heavy activities. The standard 51mm AMOLED model delivers up to 29 days, while the solar version offers an impressive 48 days with sufficient sunlight. Customizable power management modes let you fine-tune battery use based on your daily demands, ensuring your watch lasts through the longest races and training cycles without the stress of mid-event charging. Navigation is another standout strength of the Fēnix 8. Full-color topographic maps, turn-by-turn guidance, and Garmin's Climb Pro feature help you tackle unfamiliar trails and elevation changes with confidence. Plus, advanced recovery metrics, including detailed sleep tracking, HRV status, and body battery energy monitoring, ensure you stay balanced and avoid overtraining. While the Fēnix 8 sits at the top of the price spectrum, its unmatched reliability and comprehensive performance tools make it a worthwhile investment for serious athletes. As MH Fitness editor Charles Thorpe, NASM, puts it, this watch has everything Garmin has to offer in a low-profile casing, rugged enough for tough terrain, yet sleek enough for everyday wear. Number 2. Garmin Vívoactive 6. The Garmin Vívoactive 6 strikes the perfect balance between everyday convenience and powerful fitness tracking, making it an excellent choice for active users who want more than what typical smartwatches offer. With a sleek, lightweight design and an impressive battery life of up to 11 days, it stands out as a compelling alternative to the Apple Watch, especially for those who prioritize endurance and detailed performance insights. Built for both casual and committed athletes, the Vívoactive 6 delivers advanced fitness metrics that go far beyond basic step counts and calorie burn. During running and strength training sessions, it provides real-time updates on VO2 max, aerobic and anaerobic effort, and overall exercise load, giving users a clear picture of their progress. In head-to-head testing, its responsiveness shined, instantly updating pace changes and heart rate zones, while the Apple Watch SE often lagged behind. Battery life is one of its biggest advantages. Instead of nightly charging, the Vívoactive 6 powers through days of use, making it ideal for users with busy or training-focused lifestyles. Comfort is another highlight. The slim design fits securely on smaller wrists without feeling bulky. At $299, the Vívoactive 6 packs premium fitness features into an affordable package. With support for contactless payments, onboard music storage for Spotify playlists, and everyday smartwatch essentials, it offers the perfect blend of functionality and value. For those seeking comprehensive fitness insights without the high price tag, the Vívoactive 6 delivers exceptional performance. Number 3. Garmin Forerunner 965. The Garmin Forerunner 965 is built for committed runners who want elite-level performance tracking wrapped in a lightweight, stylish design. Featuring a bright 1.4-inch AMOLED display and a durable titanium bezel, this $599 flagship running watch delivers the perfect blend of high-end training insights and everyday smartwatch functionality. During testing, the Forerunner 965 proved exceptionally intuitive, a key advantage when you're mid-workout and need quick access to essential data. The watch tracks pace, distance, heart rate, and effort with outstanding accuracy, and it even asks you to record your perceived exertion after each run. This combination of objective and subjective feedback helps create personalized training insights that outperform many competitors. Advanced coaching capabilities elevate the experience further. The Forerunner 965 offers tailored training suggestions based on your race plans and goals while monitoring daily activity levels to help prevent overtraining. Seamless syncing with Strava, Spotify, and other popular platforms keeps your data and entertainment in one place. Additionally, the watch provides in-depth sleep stage analysis to support recovery, all accessible through the Garmin Connect app's easy-to-use interface. Though the watch's larger size may feel big on smaller wrists, its exceptional battery life, lasting weeks on a single charge, makes it a standout choice for endurance athletes. Our editors continue to rely on its rich analytics, including tracking subjective factors like how each run felt and which gear was used. While the Forerunner 965 may be an investment, serious runners seeking advanced performance insights and reliable coaching tools will find it well worth the price. Number 4. Garmin Instinct 3 AMOLED. The Garmin Instinct 3 is designed for those who demand unmatched toughness from their gear. Engineered with military-grade durability, this watch can handle harsh conditions and accidental impacts without missing a beat. During testing, it survived bangs against doorframes and scrapes from kettlebells without a single scratch, proof of its rugged build. Its bold, masculine design features a substantial case packed with advanced sensors, all while maintaining 100 meters of water resistance. Battery life is one of the Instinct 3's standout strengths. While Garmin rates it for up to 18 days, real-world use showed closer to an impressive 21 days on a single charge. This endurance makes it one of the longest-lasting watches in Garmin's lineup and a massive upgrade over traditional smartwatches. Even better, just 10 minutes of charging delivers several additional hours of use, perfect for last-minute adventures. Built for hikers, trail runners, and outdoor explorers, the Instinct 3 includes essential navigation tools such as a digital compass, multi-band GPS, and SatIQ technology for optimized accuracy and battery efficiency. A built-in flashlight with adjustable brightness, including a red light mode, adds versatility for nighttime use. ABC sensors, altimeter, barometer, compass, provide real-time environmental awareness to keep you informed on changing conditions. The Instinct 3 also excels as a fitness and wellness tool, offering HRV status, stress tracking, and blood oxygen monitoring. Combining durability, exceptional battery life, and advanced outdoor features, it's the perfect companion for anyone who lives life off the beaten path. Number 5. Garmin Forerunner 165. The Garmin Forerunner 165 proves you don't need to spend a fortune to get serious running technology. Priced at just $249, this feature-packed smartwatch is perfect for beginners exploring their running journey or anyone wanting an affordable yet capable fitness tracker. Despite its entry-level positioning, the Forerunner 165 delivers impressive performance with its bright AMOLED display, lightweight build, and essential training tools designed to support real progress. Comfort and simplicity are central to its appeal. The watch feels noticeably lighter than many of Garmin's higher-end models, making it ideal for long runs or everyday wear. Garmin's reputation for durability remains intact, and the intuitive interface, combining responsive physical buttons with smooth touchscreen controls, makes navigation easy, even mid-workout. The AMOLED display stands out with vibrant colors and excellent sunlight visibility, ensuring your stats are always clear. Where the Forerunner 165 truly shines is in its ability to deliver Garmin's trusted running analytics in an accessible format. Accurate GPS tracking, pace alerts, and guided workouts help new runners build consistency without feeling overwhelmed. While it doesn't include premium features like training readiness or advanced recovery metrics found in higher-tier models, it covers all the essentials that new and recreational runners need to train effectively. For those taking their first steps into structured training or looking for an affordable fitness companion, the Forerunner 165 offers outstanding value. With reliable performance, user-friendly design, and Garmin's core tech at its heart, this watch is the perfect entry point into smarter running.